Ever stumbled upon those YouTube channels with a massive following but no real face to the name? Yeah, those stealthy, faceless channels racking up millions of views and subscribers without ever showing a human behind the magic. They're the stars of YouTube automation, a goldmine for the savvy and the digital ghost towns for the uninformed. Today, I'm diving deep to show you how to launch your very own empire in this realm. But here's the catch. Most folks bomb at this game for two big reasons: not wielding the right digital tools and a lack of consistency. That's where I come in, armed to the teeth with the know-how to morph your digital dreams into reality. Let's cut to the chase and get into the meat of it. First things first, if you want to see the cash rolling in, you've got to get chummy with YouTube's inner lingo, essential for mastering the art of channel automation. Kicking things off with CPM, or cost per mil, which is fancy talk for the dough advertisers fork over to get their ads playing on your content. Remember, this isn't what you pocket for every 1,000 views. That honor goes to RPM, or revenue per miller, the real deal in terms of your earnings per 1,000 eyeballs. Then there's watch time. Trust me, it's the big cheese, the crucial metric that YouTube adores because it measures how long viewers hang out with your video. And don't forget about CTR, or click-through rate, the odds of someone getting hooked by your thumbnail and actually clicking your video. With over 2 billion users, YouTube is a treasure trove for both businesses and individual creators. Yet with so many channels trying to get the attention, standing out is a real challenge. To rise to the top, being clever and efficient with your channel is key, and that's where the magic of automation steps in. Diving into YouTube automation often means delegating various tasks to different specialists, like scriptwriters, video editors, thumbnail designers, and voiceover artists. Initially, this approach might seem pricey as you scout for talent on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, potentially denting your budget. Starting out this way isn't something I'd suggest due to the costs. It's crucial to get your hands dirty first, experimenting with video uploads before considering a team expansion. This is where the beauty of automation shines, offering a cost-effective entry point. Once the revenue starts flowing, transitioning tasks to skilled freelancers becomes a breeze. I've got your back with a few nifty tools that kickstart your journey to automating YouTube video creation. And by automatic, I mean harnessing AI to streamline and speed up the process, not just pushing a few buttons to conjure videos from thin air. Real effort, research, and commitment to quality are non-negotiable if you're aiming for success. Don't expect instant results, but believe me, the payoff is substantial. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk gear and strategy for kicking off your YouTube journey. First up, editing software. CapCut and Filmora are my top picks for starters. Thumbnails? Canva's your go-to. For digging into your niche, vidIQ is the tool. Crafting your video scripts? ChatGPT has got you covered. And for voiceovers that sound like a dream, 11 Labs is where it's at. For all your stock video needs, along with sound effects and tunes, Pixabay is a treasure trove. Now, choosing a niche is step one. YouTube's a vast ocean of content, making niche selection seem daunting. While eventually we want full automation and a dedicated team for the channel, getting the niche right from the get-go is crucial. Your passion or interest could be a great starting point. Right now, hot niches include business, finance, education, philosophy, marketing, crypto, relationship advice, and tech. Steer clear of oversaturated areas like meditation, rain sounds, reaction videos, comedy and movie compilations, top 10 lists, and sports. Different niches offer different earning potentials, CPM and RPM, but chasing high rates alone is a no-go. Choose a niche that aligns with your vision and where you see a unique opportunity. Trust me, earning big views in a less crowded niche is way more rewarding than fighting for scraps in a highly competitive arena. Now, onto your chosen niche. It's research time. Get to know your niche and who you're up against. My tip, dive into some channels within your niche, bookmark the ones that catch your eye, and analyze their most popular videos. Hit the popular button on their channel to see their hits lined up. Look into why these videos are winners. could be the eye-catching thumbnails or snappy titles, giving you heaps of insights for your own content creation. And don't forget about Social Blade for a peek at channel performances and potential earnings. Got a handle on what the competition's up to? Great, let's roll on to creating content. My advice, skip the hassle and expense of hiring freelancers for script writing. ChatGPT's your go-to here. It's a game changer and totally free.
Yeah,
let's get scripting. Say you're aiming for a tech vibe, focusing on crypto. Ask ChatGPT, create me a script for a YouTube channel about crypto. The title of this video is Top 10 Cryptos to Invest in. And just like magic, ChatGPT crafts your script in no time, all without spending a dime. There you have it, folks. Your script ready in under half a minute, setting the stage for your next video. Alright, let's dive into the next phase now that we have our crafted script in hand. The goal here is to breathe life into these words with a bit of AI magic for voiceovers, and for this, 11 Labs has been my trusty sidekick for quite some time. It's an amazing resource, and guess what? It's absolutely free. So, allow me to guide you through the process of setting this up. First things first, make your way over to 11 Labs and sign up without spending a cent. There's a link in the description. Once you've got it open, we're targeting the text-to-speech feature to give our script a voice. Now, here's where it gets exciting. The sheer fact that 11 Labs offers this for free is astonishing, and it's an incredible opportunity for anyone just starting out. Now, you've just created an AI voiceover, but wait, there's more. Your video needs visuals that capture and hold attention. That's where Pixabay and Canva come into play, offering a treasure trove of video clips for virtually any theme you can think of. Crafting a video on ancient Egypt? They have you covered with a variety of royalty-free videos that you can integrate into your project seamlessly. This approach not only makes your content visually appealing, but does so without costing you a penny. By leveraging these incredibly user-friendly and cost-effective tools, you're equipped to create the foundational elements of your video. This method isn't just about cutting costs. It's about smartly utilizing resources to produce content that stands out, even in the crowded space of online media. Hold up, just before we dive into the next tip, let me share a quick success story. I managed to successfully build multiple faceless YouTube channels with an amazing amount of subs in just a few months. And guess what? A free course that lays out the blueprint for you to replicate this success is linked in the video description. A big shout out for your patience. Now, let's get to the exciting part. All right, let's create a captivating thumbnail using our trusty tool, Canva. It doesn't matter how great your videos are, if nobody clicks on your video, nobody will see it. With Canva's vast library of templates, Canva makes it a breeze to start designing. Plus, there's a wealth of tutorials online and on YouTube to guide you, or you could explore AI options like Midjourney for more personalized designs. Keeping it straightforward for now, most of you are likely familiar with Canva. A pro tip? Check out how your competitors are acing their thumbnail game for inspiration. Now don't forget, YouTube's success formula hinges on 4 critical factors: audience retention, click-through rate, watch time, and session time. Crafting your videos with these in mind, aiming for engaging, fast-paced content that resonates with viewers is key. Feel free to tweak your ChatGPT-generated scripts to add engaging elements that keep your audience hooked. You've seen how swiftly we've pieced this project together. However, remember, launching into YouTube automation is a journey involving multiple steps and tools. Instant success is a myth. Like any worthwhile endeavor, it demands dedication and patience. Yet the potential here is massive, offering one of the top side gigs today for those who stay consistent and work hard. I'm eager to hear your take on this video in the comments. Thanks for watching.